Most people think working hard will make them rich. They are dead wrong. Look around. How many people do you know who have been working for 10, 20, and even 30 years and still struggle financially? Meanwhile, the rich are getting richer and the middle class is drowning in debt, taxes, and inflation. The truth is, the system is designed to keep the middle class exactly where they are stuck. Before we dive in, if you want real wealth building strategies that actually work, subscribe to Aussie Wealth Builder. I break down these financial traps and show you how to escape them. Now, the salary trap. Why you will never get rich working a full-time job. Let's say you earn $90,000 per year. Sounds decent, right? Now let's subtract 37% tax. You are left with around $56,700. Rent or mortgage, $25,000. Living expenses like food, bills, fuel, insurance. Let's remove another $20,000. Now what's left? Maybe $10,000 if you're really lucky. Now, the hard truth is, you work 40 hours plus a week, and after all that, you are left with scraps. This is why the middle class stays stuck. Comment below, do you think job alone is enough to build a real wealth? Let's discuss. Now, let's talk about inflation and debt. How the system keeps you broke. 20 years ago, a house in Melbourne cost $300,000, and today, the same house is whooping $1 million and above. Your salary hasn't increased 3x, but housing, groceries, and fuel have literally skyrocketed. Meanwhile, the rich use debt to their advantage, while the middle class takes out a 30-year mortgage and pays interest every month. The wealthy buy the assets that generate income to pay for their liabilities. Are you still working for the money, or is money working for you? Why the rich pay less tax than you think? It's simply because of the tax loopholes. This isn't fair. An average Aussie earning $90,000 pays about $20,000 in taxes, but a business owner making $250,000 might pay less in tax. How? Here's the secret. The rich plays a very different game. The middle class typically they earn, get taxed, spend what's left. However, the rich earn, spend through all the legal deductions, pay tax on what's left. A business owner can typically write off laptops, phone, internet, home office, flights for business, used car for the business under tax deduction. Now, do you want to learn how to use these strategies yourself? Subscribe to Aussie Wealth Builder. Right now, I break it all down for you step by step. The good news is you can change this. You don't have to stay stuck. Here's how you escape the middle class trap. 3-step escape plan. Step number 1. Invest aggressively. Let money work for you. Step number 2. Build multiple income streams. YouTube, side hustles, and businesses. Step number 3. Reduce your tax burden legally. Use the company structures, deductions, and reinvest those profits. Look at someone who put just $1,000 per month into the stock market for 10 years. With the magic of compounding, that turns into over $250,000. Now imagine doing that for 20 years. You are a millionaire. Your 9 to 5 is just a stepping stone, not the final goal. If you don't break free, you will be stuck forever. The middle class is stuck because they follow the wrong money rules. The rich don't work harder. They just work very smarter. If you're serious about escaping the trap, start today. Build assets, protect your wealth, and make your money work for you. Hit that like button, subscribe to Aussie Wealth Builder, and comment below. What's your biggest financial challenge? Let's talk.